Hi everyone, I'm just going to give you a reminder video about how to do addition and how to do subtraction. So you can always refer back to it if you need to. The lesson today and tomorrow is where you're going to be practicing addition and subtraction. So I want to do a quick video to remind you how to do it. But the lesson for today is in your math. Just make sure you do the 33 plus 26. That one will be the first problem. Okay, so a reminder. Oh, we had lots of little sayings and things like that. So for addition, what we did is first you add the tens, then you add the ones. Next you draw a line and add it all up, okay? Do that one more time. First you add the tens, next you add the ones. Then you draw a line and add it all up. Remember we marched around the classroom with that one? So let's do addition first. So first you add the tens. So we're gonna do 40 plus 30, which is 70, because 4 plus 3 is 7, so 40 plus 30 is 70. 2 plus 6 is 8. Now this is important because you only have 8. You have to make sure you get that 8 in the ones place, okay? The 8 has to be in the ones place because that's what you're adding the ones. Then you draw your line and add it all up and you get an answer of 78. Okay, let's do the next one. So first you add the tens, 50 plus 20, which is 70. Next you add the ones, 7 plus 9, which is 16. Then you draw the line and add it all up, and you get a total of 86, okay? Subtraction, a little bit different. We have a little different writing for it. So we have 78 minus 13. Everybody remember, what is the first thing you have to do? Ooh, it's the rule. Put a box around the ones place, okay? That focuses you on where, because you're gonna ask yourself the question now. You're simply looking at the numbers that are in the box. So more on top or more on the floor? Well, in this case, 8 is bigger than 3, so you have more on top. More on top, no need to stop. So you just get to subtract. 7 minus 1 is 6. 8 minus 3 is 5 for an answer of 65. Okay, let's go to the next one. First thing you do, box around the ones place. Ask yourself the question, more on top or more on the floor? This time there is more on the floor. So go next door, get 10 more. So what's next door to the 3? It's the 8. So you cross off the 8 because you're going to get 10 from there. Make it a 7, and you're bringing 10 over in cubes, so that is going to be 13. 13 minus 9 is 4. 7 minus 2 is 5. Your answer is 54. Okay, last one. Box around the ones place. Ask yourself the question, more on top or more on the floor? No, numbers the same, zero's the game. So 5 minus 5 is 0. 9 minus 7 is 2. I hope this is a good reminder for you. You all had this mastered. You all know this. But what we got to do now, remember, is we're taking it from back here where it's stored in your brain, and we're bringing it back up here. We're taking those pathways and bringing it back up because it's stored back there, and you know how to do this. You just might need some practice, okay? Good luck and happy adding and subtracting.